Welcome to my new listing at 9171 Cowboy Inn, located in the beautiful Mountain's Edge. As you can see, this one has beautiful views and a park behind, so you have no rear house. But there's one thing that's more special. This is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath. You have a primary with its own bath downstairs and a half bath. Upstairs, another primary with the bathroom. And guess what? The 3rd bedroom has its own bathroom. You're not going to find that. Please come and take a look with me and let me show you around.